Hello students.
I am Dr. Naresh Chandanani from Jaipur Engineering College, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss differential equations of second order, the case when one part of complementary function is known. Suppose a second order differential equation is d2y upon dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy equal to r. Now suppose y equal to u be a known part of the complementary function. Then y equal to u into v becomes the complete solution. Here v is another function of x which we have to find out. To find out v, what we do? First we take y equal to u into v, then we differentiate it with respect to x and find dy by dx, and again differentiating we get d2y by dx square. Then we substitute y, dy by dx and d2y by dx square all in equation 1. Then after some simplifications we can reduce equation to a first order linear differential equation and then we can solve it. We will understand this by some simple examples. Before moving to examples, we discuss the inspection method to find one part of CF. If p plus qx equal to 0, then y equal to x will be a part of CF, means in place of u we can take x. Similarly, if 2 plus 2px plus qx square equal to 0, then y equal to x square is one part of CF. If m into m minus 1 plus pmx plus qx square equal to 0, then y equal to x to the power m is a part of CF. If 1 plus p plus q equal to 0, then y equal to e to the power x is one part of CF. If 1 minus p plus q equal to 0, then y equal to e power minus x is one part of CF. And finally, if 1 plus p upon m plus q upon m square equal to 0, then y equal to e to the power mx is one part of CF. So to solve the second order differential equations by this method, first of all we will find the first part of the CF using inspection method, and then multiplying that part with v, we assume that y equal to one part of CF into v, that is y equal to u into v is complete solution, and find first and second derivatives and simplify the equation. We take an example: x plus 2 d2y by dx square minus 2x plus 5 dy by dx plus 2y equal to x plus 1 into e power x. So here this equation can be written as d2y by dx square minus 2x plus 5 upon x plus 2 into dy by dx plus 2 upon x plus 2 into y equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 2 e power x. So here p is equal to minus 2x plus 5 upon x plus 2, q is equal to 2 upon x plus 2, and r is equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 2 e power x. By inspection we can see that p upon 2 plus q upon 2 square plus 1 equal to 0. You can simplify and get this result. So as per the inspection method, y equal to e power 2x will be one part of CF. So now we let y equal to u into v, that is e power 2x into v, be the complete solution of 1. We differentiate it and we get dy by dx equal to dv by dx into e power 2x plus 2v into e power 2x, and d2y by dx square equal to d2v upon dx square into e power 2x plus 4 dv by dx into e power 2x plus 4v e power 2x. Using all these into equation 1, we get d2v upon dx square plus 2 upon e power 2x into 2 e power 2x minus 2x plus 5 upon x plus 2 into dv by dx equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 2 e power x into e power minus 2x. This can be simplified as d2v upon dx square plus 2x plus 3 upon x plus 2 into dv by dx equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 2 into e power minus x. Now here we put z equal to dv by dx. Therefore, d2v upon dx square becomes equal to dz upon dx. So equation 2 will reduce to the form dz by dx plus 2x plus 3 upon x plus 2 into z equal to x plus 1 upon x plus 2 into e power minus x. This is a first order linear differential equation in z. Its IF is equal to e raised to the power integral 2x plus 3 upon x plus 2 dx. Its integration is equal to e raised to the power 2x upon x plus 2. So the complete solution will be z into e power 2x upon x plus 2 equal to integral of x plus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square into ex dx plus c1. We integrate the right hand side by parts and we get ex upon x plus 2 minus ex upon x plus 2 square dx. Now here we use the theorem ex into fx plus f dash x dx equal to ex into fx, and we get right side as e power x upon x plus 2 plus c1. Therefore z is equal to e power minus x plus c1 e power minus 2x into x plus 2. That is dv by dx is equal to e power minus x plus c1 e power minus 2x into x plus 2. Now again we integrate and we find v is equal to minus e to the power minus x minus half c1 e power minus 2x into x plus 2 minus 1 upon 4 c1 e power minus 2x plus c2. Hence the complete solution is y equal to v into e power 2x, that is minus e power x minus c1 upon 4 into 2x plus 5 plus c2 e power 2x. Another example is d2y by dx square minus cot x into dy by dx minus 1 minus cot x into y equal to e power x sin x. So here 1 plus p plus q is equal to 1 minus cot x minus 1 plus cot x, that is 0. So y equal to e power x is a part of CF. Let y equal to v into e power x be the complete solution. Therefore dy by dx is equal to e power x into dv by dx plus v into e power x, and d2y by dx square is e power x d2v upon dx square plus 2 dv by dx into e power x plus v into e power x. So using all these into first equation, we get d2v upon dx square plus 2 minus cot x into dv by dx equal to sin x. So now put z equal to dv by dx and we will get dz upon dx plus 2 minus cot x into z equal to sin x. Now this is a first order linear differential equation in z. So if is equal to e raised to the power integral of 2 minus cot x dx, that is equal to e power 2x upon sin x. So the solution will be z into e power 2x upon sin x equal to integral of sin x into e power 2x upon sin x dx plus c1, that is e power 2x upon 2 plus c1. So z, which is equal to dv by dx, will be half sin x plus c1 e power minus 2x sin x. Now integrating both sides again, we will get v equal to minus half cos x minus c1 upon 5 into e power minus 2x into cos x plus 2 sin x plus c2. Here we have used integration by parts formula. So the complete solution is y equal to v e power x, that is equal to minus half e power x cos x minus c1 upon 5 into e power minus x into cos x plus 2 sin x plus c2 into e power x. Here are some practice problems. You can solve them, and if you feel any problem in this lecture, you can contact me on my email. Thank you students. Have a good day.